Linking words help connect ideas smoothly and make speech more organized. They are essential in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some common linking words, along with examples. If you want to get better at IELTS writing and check out some 8.5 band sample essays, don't miss our new IELTS writing channel. Let's get started. 1. Adding information. These words help expand your ideas by adding extra details or points. They make your speech more coherent and prevent it from sounding abrupt. 1. Also. Example.
I enjoy reading books in my free time. Also, I love watching documentaries about history and science.
2. In addition. Example.
The hotel was expensive. In addition, it wasn't very clean and the staff were not very helpful.
3. Moreover. Example.
This job is not only tiring but also stressful. Moreover, the salary is quite low compared to similar positions.
4. Besides. Example.
I don't feel like going out tonight because I'm tired. Besides, the weather is cold and rainy.
2. Contrasting ideas. These words show differences between two ideas. They help you express opposing opinions or highlight unexpected results. 1. However. Example.
The shop was very busy when we arrived. However, we didn't have to wait long because they had enough staff to help customers quickly.
2. On the other hand. Example.
Living in a city means you have access to many facilities and entertainment options. On the other hand, it can be noisy and crowded, which some people find stressful.
3. Although. Example.
Although I was extremely tired after a long day at work, I decided to stay up late to finish my book.
4. Whereas. Example.
Some people enjoy spending their holidays at the beach, whereas others prefer traveling to the mountains for hiking and fresh air.
3. Giving examples. These words introduce examples to support your point. They make your answers clearer and more convincing by providing specific details. 1. For example. Example.
I love Italian food. For example, I often cook pasta dishes at home, and I enjoy going to Italian restaurants whenever I can.
2. For instance. Example.
Some animals are highly intelligent. For instance, dolphins can understand human gestures, and crows can use tools to solve problems.
3. Such as. Example.
I enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking in the mountains, cycling in the countryside, and camping by the lake.
4. Expressing cause and effect. These words explain reasons and results. They help you show logical connections between ideas and make your argument stronger. 1. Because. Example.
I stayed at home all weekend because I had a lot of assignments to complete for my university course.
2. So. Example.
The roads were icy this morning, so I decided to leave home earlier to avoid any delays.
3. Therefore. Example.
He didn't study enough for the exam. Therefore, he struggled to answer many of the questions and didn't get a high score.
4. As a result. Example.
There was a major transport strike yesterday. As a result, many people were late for work or had to find alternative ways to travel.
5. Showing sequence. These words help organize your speech in a clear order. They are useful when describing a process, telling a story, or explaining steps. 1. First of all. Example.
First of all, we need to book our flights before looking for a place to stay and planning our itinerary.
2. Then. Example.
We packed our bags in the morning. Then, we took a taxi to the airport and checked in for our flight.
3. After that. Example.
I spent a few hours studying in the library. After that, I met some friends for dinner at a nearby cafe.
4. Finally. Example.
We visited several cities during our holiday. Finally, we arrived in Rome, which was the highlight of the trip.
6. Emphasizing a point. These words highlight key information. They help you stress important ideas and make your speech more engaging. 1. In fact. Example.
I love reading books about history. In fact, I read at least one historical novel or biography every month.
2. Indeed. Example.
The film was incredibly moving. Indeed, some of the scenes were so emotional that I couldn't stop thinking about them for days.
3. Especially. Example.
I enjoy listening to different types of music, especially classical and jazz, because they help me relax after a long day.
4. Particularly. Example.
His book is fascinating, particularly the final few chapters, where the mystery is finally solved.
7. Summarizing or concluding. These words help you wrap up your ideas. They are useful when summarizing your points or giving a final opinion. 1. In conclusion. Example.
In conclusion, social media has both benefits and drawbacks, and people should use it wisely to avoid its negative effects.
2. To sum up. Example.
To sum up, I believe that technology has made our lives easier in many ways, but it has also created new challenges, such as digital addiction.
3. Overall. Example.
Overall, the trip was an amazing experience. We visited beautiful places, met interesting people, and learned a lot about the local culture.
4. In summary. Example.
In summary, teamwork is essential for success in any workplace because it helps people collaborate effectively and solve problems more efficiently.
8. Expressing conditions. These words introduce situations that must happen for something else to occur. They help you explain possible outcomes or hypothetical situations. 1. If. Example.
If I have enough time this weekend, I will visit my grandparents and spend some quality time with them.
2. Unless. Example.
Unless you practice speaking English regularly, it will be difficult to improve your fluency and confidence.
3. As long as. Example.
You can borrow my car as long as you promise to drive carefully and return it with a full tank of petrol.
4. provided that. Example:
The company will offer you the job provided that you pass the final interview and meet all the requirements.
that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos.